All right, the question actually for today is how much shop time do you get at Kentucky Welding Institute?
Well, to start with, you're going to get an hour in the classroom, 7 hours in the shop, about 12 weeks, 3 months, give or take. And then once you complete the classroom, 8 hours a day in the shop, throwing sparks, burning rods, smelling the argon.
Now that's great, but what if one, I'm good, I'm from a different state, I've got a lot of extra time. What if I'm falling behind? Is there extra shop time available?
Yeah, we don't want to turn the rock on you. We want you to be the best you can be. So if you ask your instructor, say, hey, I need a couple extra hours today, chances are that instructor is going to say yes. Come on in, stay late, come in early if you're a second shift student, stay late if you're a first shift student to work that extra time. Maybe you just want to prepare metal for the next day. So when I come in on Tuesday, I don't have to grind anything. I'm just going to weld the whole rest of the week. That's a good possibility.
That's a smart way to be too, right? As far as avoiding maybe those funnels, I guess, or those choke points. But yeah, so extra time. I can think of a couple students actually that have literally milked the Kentucky Welding Institute that came and paid for a 6-month program, but probably left out the door with 9 or 12 months worth of welding.
Yeah, absolutely. We got some guys and gals who stuck with us 10, 12, sometimes 16 hours a day working at KWI. I probably lost some money on those guys, but it's okay because they're out here blazing the trail, making the name of the industry for themselves and for the next generation of KWI graduates.
And again, just going back to some of those cats that I can remember from California, from Alaska, usually those guys that are from deep out of town. I love that we've got a really small town. There's not much to do here, and when you get here, we want you focused on welding, on your career. We're pretty hungry for you to get out there and be successful. Hopefully not more than you, but in some cases I feel like we are. But yeah, taking advantage of us. I mean, sure, you've paid for 8 hours a day, but stay 10, stay 12. If you can do it, stay 16. See how long you can push yourself. When you hit a boiler outage, you're gonna be pulling 7/12s.
Right.
So I think of it as training for that real world. You don't want to just do 8s at KWI the entire time. Your first 7/12 job will rape you. You'll be in trouble. So why not challenge yourself? Go ahead and push for those 12 and 16-hour days and get used to life on the road.
Absolutely. If you got the time, take advantage of it.
Yeah. So the question was, how much weld time do I get? At KWI, you can get twice what you paid for if you're up for it.